Hello. In this series, you will learn about Ingress Protection testing, also known as IP code testing. More specifically, in this video, I will be discussing IPX1 and IPX2 testing. Having an IPX1 or IPX2 level of protection allows a manufacturer to comfortably sell the product knowing that exposure to rainfall will not cause issues with the device. There are 10 IP ratings for the protection of liquids. These ratings can range from 0, no protection, to 9, and generally increase in difficulty the higher the number. IPX1 and IPX2 testing have the lowest level of severity in the IP rating system. Though manufacturers can't ensure the device's internal components can withstand vertically falling droplets of water, units tested to this standard should not be considered waterproof. To complete this testing, a specially designed drip tray is used. IPX1 evaluates the protection of an enclosure from vertically falling droplets with the water equivalent to 1 millimeter of rainfall per minute. On the other hand, IPX2 evaluates the enclosure from dripping water when tilted up to 15 degrees with a water equivalent of 3 millimeters of rainfall per minute. For the IPX1 test, the unit is placed under the drip tray and uses a turntable rotating at 1 rotation per minute. The unit is offset from the rotating axis by 100 millimeters. This will ensure that the entire top of the unit is tested evenly. IPX2 does not use a turntable, but is tested in 4 fixed positions while tilted at 15 degrees. Both IPX1 and IPX2 have a testing duration of 10 minutes. However, IPX2 is split into 2.5-minute timeframes for each of the 4 positions. After testing, the unit is checked for correct function and water ingress. Key points include: water must not impact operation or safety. Water shouldn't deposit on insulation or reach live parts. For units with drain holes, water should drain without damage. For units without drains, specified standards will determine water tolerance. Any water ingress is reported to the manufacturer for a pass-fail evaluation. Generally, only 1 unit is tested unless opening or resealing is not possible. Additional testing may be done as needed or required by the manufacturer. Thank you so much for watching. For more information on IP code testing, please follow the corresponding links in the description of this video.